Using a hot glue gun, you're going to glue your desired trinket to the cap. And when you're finished, you're going to take the glue gun and glue some glue to the cap and then sprinkle your snow however you like. Try to remain away from the base of the cap so that way it's able to close when you're finished. Print your desired photo. Laminate your photos. If you do not have a laminating machine, you could seal your photos with transparent tape. Use a hole puncher and punch your photos out. The hole puncher was a little hard to cut them out only because it was laminated, but it does cut it. And if you do not have a hole puncher, you could use scissors and cut them out. You see, this one was an easy punch. Take the craft stick and the hot glue gun and begin gluing your photos on the stick however you like. Now paint your craft stick using white nail polish and then paint with glitter nail polish. The only thing I would do different is paint the craft stick first. I should have painted them first before I put the photos on. But it's up to you. You could do this. You could do it vice versa or however you like. Okay, so I messed up here, guys. I put the craft stick, the cap on the craft stick before pushing it through the bottle. So you would push the cap through the bottle first because the photos won't fit after you glue the cap on. So put the craft stick in first and then put the cap on, okay? Cut off the excess craft stick that's sticking out of the ornament. That way you're able to seal and close the ornament up. And there you have it, a beautiful personalized photo ornament to use however you like and put on your beautiful tree or just use as a display decoration on your table. Okay, so you could leave the base of the cap plain or you could jazz it up with some nail polish and sprinkle some snow. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification for more videos like this. Remember to have fun just being creative. Till next time with Jan. Bye.